What, sweetie? Say hi, Grace. Yeah, right there.
Because their chickens come from CP. It's the cleanest production of chicken in Thailand.
Okay.
And ours were smuggled through a back door because they're genetically engineered chickens. They don't go off lay. They lay every day of every year, yeah? So we have 12 eggs every day. Excess for us, obviously, but the school then have cut rice eggs. Takes the villagers.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's not an acorn on the top. That's lotus plant. Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Lotus is not the most
Said we're looking at Cambodia here. Very difficult to invade when you can see them coming for miles and miles.
people go for a crown.